An experienced restorer noticed the forgotten SUV.
The Bentley identity remained intact. The interior had suffered badly. The corrosion appeared manageable. Surprisingly, the engine still moved.
This project might still be worth saving.
A deal was finally reached.
The journey to restoration had begun. The Bentley finally arrived at the workshop. Every damaged area needed documentation.
The front structure was heavily compromised. The rear impact required major correction. Hidden damage lay underneath. The cooling system had completely failed.
Rainwater had devastated the cabin. Signs of luxury still remained.
The engine had been exposed for years.
The cooling system was beyond service. The front bumper came off first.
Every part had its place.
Nothing was left undocumented. Now the real restoration could begin.
The Bentley was now ready for structural correction. The damaged frame was secured for repair. Factory measurements guided every move. Controlled pressure corrected the front structure. Every bend was corrected with precision. The rear frame had to match original geometry. Replacement sections were carefully test-fitted. The repaired joints were permanently secured. Door alignment was checked carefully.
Panel gaps had to be exact.
The structure was refined for final finish. The body began to regain its original shape.
The rear opening returned to shape.
The Bentley was becoming whole again. The interior restoration finally began.
The interior looked brand new. Every luxury detail was restored. The Bentley's interior was reborn. The final transformation was about to begin. The final moment had arrived.
It looked brand new again.
Every detail reflected perfection.
The cabin felt new once again.
Every system worked flawlessly. The transformation was undeniable. The Bentley moved with confidence.
Quality was confirmed one last time.
It had exceeded every expectation.
No one could believe its past.
From forgotten to unforgettable.
From abandonment to absolute perfection.